Here's some real-time voltage monitoring using a single super cap.
We're big fans of each other. And here he is talking about liberals who feel joy when, Republicans and conservatives are killed. I'll give you the Abby Phillip half first. I'll give you the rebuttal second. This is clip 13.
Here is real-time voltage monitoring using 4 super caps in parallel.
Take the face down the worst people ever lived. Find out in confronting evil. Please order your copy today. Paid for by St. Martin's Press. This is KSRO, Sonoma County's home of hard-hitting political talk, updated local news.
And here's some current monitoring from the same 4 super caps.
Burbank Center for the Arts from 2 to 4 o'clock. Bring your resume and meet some of Sonoma County's top employers who are hiring right now. It's your chance to explore opportunities, make connections,